Hi everyone, this is Angus here, and today we're going to take a look at the Truefree O1 wireless earbuds. So firstly, I'd like to say thank you to Truefree for sending this to me. I am not getting paid for this video, but they have very kindly sent this to me, so thank you to them for doing that and giving me the opportunity to try out these headphones. So these headphones are currently £40, so they sort of sit in the mid-price range. So starting with the unboxing, I think the packaging is quite small, quite minimalist. I think they have quite a nice brand. So on the front, we just have the earbuds with 3 features: a 16.2mm dynamic driver. It's claiming to have 54 hours of playtime. I did actually look into this, and it's meant to have 10 hours of battery life in a single charge, and then 45 hours of battery with the charging case. It's also meant to have noise cancelling for the microphone. So again, that's something I'm going to be testing in the full review. Product name, barcode, sound in heaven, some specifications. So far, so good for this unboxing. So then we just have a black box. It's telling you to install the app. Then we have the charging case. So we have a small, thin USB-C cable. The last thing in the unboxing is the manual. There wasn't that much wasted packaging, so I'm actually really impressed with this so far. The case is actually quite a bit bigger than what I'd be used to. These are the Apple AirPods Pro, so that's quite a bit bigger. But it does feel quite lightweight. The material feels like plastic. It does have a USB-C charging port on the back. We open it up, and then we have these. So it looks like these light up, and it looks like we have the battery indicator here. So far, these look good. I think for the price, I'm really excited to see how these sound. So on the inside of these earbuds was a little bit of plastic. You need to take that off, and I'm gonna hold this button here until it flashes. So these show up as Truefree O1 on iOS. This is what the app looks like. Quite simple. Okay, so I've been listening to music on these headphones with my iPhone 15 Pro for about 5 minutes. And I'm not really sure I understand the concept of them because they don't go in your ear like actual earbuds do. The speaker is essentially there. So it's going to be interesting to hear and test how these sound when you're in a really noisy environment, because they're not really going to block out any of that sound that's going to come out. My first impressions of the sound is it could be better. It's not very loud, and also you don't really get like the bass experience which you do with earbuds. And another thing that is slightly concerning me is that they don't actually feel very secure. They actually just wobble, but they are staying on my ear. I will be testing them for things like exercise, but I'm noticing that when I'm shaking that they are wobbling, and that is what I notice. It's hard to not notice it. Okay, so one thing I just want to add before I end this video is I think there is a benefit with the design, and specifically the fact that it doesn't go in your ear. That means that you can actually hear everything around you. So this could actually be quite suitable for people that go running, people that need to have conversations with other people quite regularly, but still want to be able to hear. Maybe you're a courier and you want to receive phone calls, but you still need to speak to staff in restaurants, but you don't want to have to take your earbuds out. Truefree haven't really marketed it that way, and I think because of that, the concept of these headphones are going to get lost. I think I'm going to explore that more in my full review. So even though that the sound quality could be better, I think the more I think about it, the more I sort of see the concept of them. It's a new design I haven't really seen before, so I need to really do some testing to truly understand what these headphones are for and what you get out of them. So I hope that sort of like unboxing experience was helpful for you. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them below, and thank you very much for watching.